This is freaking cool, guys. So this is a ice shaker. And look at the design. Those are familiar back in the good old war days and the fighter planes. So again, in the shop below, they have tons of different designs. So if if you're like, a shark or a pink whatever tumbler, trust me, guys, they have tons of different styles. And this is actually really, really cool. Holy cow. The quality on this is, I'm going to be honest with you guys, I was really expecting the quality to be pretty low. Like, this is like, jeez Louise, this is so nice. Like, the quality on this, guys. I can definitely see why this was on Shark Tank. Freaking awesome, guys. So, anyway, I know I've been hyping that up, but you got a large mouth, which is really nice. I can't stand those small mouth ones, but it is a sealable airtight lid, and we're going to test that out for you guys. You get a really nice handle on the top here. By the way, it says it holds ice for 30 hours, which is crazy. Just crazy. I love, so it shows you up to 20 ounces. That's your fill line. Don't fill it past that. And this is what I love. Look at this. This blocks the ice from coming up and blocking the mouth of it. So this will block the ice. And guess what? You can remove this and clean it. Seals right in there, airtight seals. This brand knows what they're doing. Why would you want a Stanley when you can get something of just the nicest quality? I mean, anyway, now comes the moment of truth. The actual test, does it leak or not? A lot of tumblers that we have reviewed fail this test. Make sure the lid's on tight. You guys ready? Please don't leak. I love this so much. Don't leak. We're shaking it aggressively. Don't leak. Ah! Dry. Completely dry. Let's go. Let's go, guys. The seal is still completely dry. There's only water at the very top where we pulled the lid off. Let's go, guys. So, this will keep your drinks colder longer. This will keep your, if you have coffee, it will keep that warmer longer. It will keep ice longer. So if you just want to fill this up with ice to, take ice from it, guys, get it from the shop below. They have all kinds of styles. And seriously, I think you guys are not going to be disappointed when you get it. I know I'm not. In fact, I'm throwing away all of our other ones because this is really nice. Like this is really nice. The quality is there. It doesn't leak. Get it from the shop below. You will not be disappointed. And hey, if you guys get one, please let me know what's your favorite style because I think I might get a couple of these for Christmas gifts.